Habayekran bagi nong patai kubor haka kat kandai terik uyayong arajar arpulai. Menteri ki kampen roisor uba asnya balang dahar ulong bahadu mentah ke sorkar kampan di opdiang ya kanu kunu jubab naka harijan panchayat komiti. Bat kumtah keteo banwan ke sorkar kan selum no ekejingelang hadian bu sembut menteri rang ba kejela uba presiden tunsong ulawan pai kejela. Habakeli nakanu kadau ba ka harijan panchayat komiti kam shimla ai ke jubab wala ke sorkar kala ai por ban jubab hapok ke spotrik uyayong arajar arpulai. Uba asnya balang ulong badi ban keli na ka harijan panchayat komiti nakanu kadau ba kam shimla ai ke jubab namar kadega kam ram jengki ban ai ke jubab. Hendrela da kempa ai ke jubab ru ke sorkar kan sasyong ya ke jinggalang banekren halor kene ke benta bat ban shim karai.
That also now there is no reply such from them, so we are yet to sit maybe in days to come because Deputy CM in charge home is not here at the station. Next week we'll be sitting call meeting. Not yet. No. We haven't received any letter from them. So therefore we'll go ahead with our what we should do. Because when I'm in station, Deputy CM in charge home is not there. When he is there, I'm not here, so I'm waiting for him. He'll be coming day after tomorrow, it seems. I'm going to come likely by next week. We'll be having a meeting to discuss. We are trying. That is the meaning of it. We try to resolve at the earliest if everything is falling into place. Because when everything is okay, black and white, you'll be know everything. Only don't worry. So since the things under discussion, it's not advice for me to share everything black and white because there is maybe some plus minus are there. So we'll try for the best for our own people, no problem. So let us see. Because code has tell us if we can solve within this April or it will be better. So we'll try to move toward that.
Uba senyaw balang dhar, ulong ba kesorkar jela kalayat cekamat na kebenta ban penyo ekaja kalum nyut na kebenta kasor jowai. Bada ki kendiat benai ki balalet, lakot ya ka expression of interest, ha ka bagi ladon kebla terwai ki jaka jongki, nrai kini ki jaka kimlong ki wabiang. Kumta ken hak ban kot biang ya ka application ke batamai. Walak sorkar jela kampat yo ejaka ke bapaka haduk mentah. Nri menteri sorkar shimla tre apat ban batai ya kejaka ke bagi penankam mentah ha ban lum yinyut. Ula pensyairu ba marten kadang la ban trekam salai ne sausnam. Nri sorkar kan apsyo haduk ban dekut kene kapor. Kumta keladak ban syim kesenjam ban wat jaka thamai bat kikam ki jam mentah keliyat kumpa prapau ne kesispa. Bat kebasa kalong satang ban penlong ya ke public hearing. Unio menteri ketenat penroisor ulang bagi patba ki deban ai ke jaka namar yakum kini kejat kam kalong kebedan kam ban shimlang ke jingkit klia na ke benta ke jing bhajong ke jela.
It's our responsibility as the leader, especially as urban minister, to look all this. Okay? It's my responsibility. So I'm trying to locate a new landfill. And it's a challenge, not so easy for the new landfill. So that's why we are on the job to acquire a new one. Same thing. So long as of now it seems 80% is completed the process. We are yet to public hearing is left. So next week I'll be having for that. I won't tell the area. Next week we'll have meeting again for that about landfill status.
Ha kabaydai bat ke jingdawa ban penkelano ek reservation policy bat hatu ukersyan ne upersya ek ne ke jingdawa. Uba asnya balang dhar ulong ba ke jingkli la ukersyan ne kersyan kami satya. Nama kesorkar kan hak ban sengap yo bobon balang bat kesorkar senrop lang kan selum ke jingelang jong kesorkar MDA. Bat menteri rang ba ke jela ula aru ban lum ke jingelang bat baru ki sengsan pertai bane keren halor kene kamat.
You support this? The question of support and does not support, we have to take everything on board. I think government will have a meeting. And maybe like MDA, and maybe I think CM will take care of this. He may call all the political party meeting also. You see, we are leader for all. Okay? I'm your deputy chief minister. I'm not leader from Jaintia. Please don't get this. So we respect the sentiment of all the people, whether from Jaintia, whether from Kasi, we are here to serve the people. So for these sort of systems, I think CM will take a call for all the political party or the ruling party. We'll discuss properly in such a manner so that there will be a good decision.
But has this issue been taken up at your party level, ma, NPP?
We will. No, this issue should not be in the party level. It should be government level. Maybe all party meeting may be very important. So I think CM will do the needful.
Habakali la kadai ke jing shisha balengba ke jing shimkia ke jong u bagila persyang ban kering ya ki MLA ke PDF ban penia sono bat ke NPP. Uba senyau balang ula kentaj ban kubur ba ula shimkia adalah dia benekran bat ki arngut ki MLA ke PDF. Ndai uloong ba kadai ke jing shimkia jong ke seng lada kadon kum kene ke jing ekran namar uru dan jing tebi ruem. Habakali ladadon ki bawan ban penia sono bat ke NPP hato kendon ginu-ginu ki sengsan pertai ki ban hab iano ya kesuki menteri sarkar jongki usembut menteri rang ba kejelau loong baki AKA baro ke nebet kum bakilong bat ke sarkar MDA tu kalong ke baklan bah nalor kani ula pensyai baki NPP kam syam lakran AA ya ki MLA ke HSPDP bagian wan penia sono baki NPP Nrai ulang pat belada ki MLA ki kuah hi banwan penia so bagi NPP kumta keseng kalong ke bakloi ban pediang ki. Halor ke jingkeli la keseng NPP ke don jingtmu ban kro yo MP ke Lok Sabha uba Vincent H Pala menekun no ki election MP banwan na keseng NPP. Uba senyau halang ulang ba kapor kadang don sesisnem ban long ki election MP. Kumta kapor kan sabatai bat kaseng kan sasyam mekarai manu banong ukertong hak election MP syaka Lok Sabha na ka Shillong parliamentary seat.
MP
And
election from
you see, MP is another 1 year away. Why you are so hurried to know? A time will come. Don't worry.
but will the NPP make this?
A time will come. Don't worry. No.
Time will come, Bapara will come to NPP.
No. A time will come for the party to decide who's the candidate. No. Mapala is a congress. Why you ask me all this?
Ha kawai pat kaliang menteri katanat penroisor ulang bagi sarkar kadang penkere ekajaka ban pensyong no ya baro kinong di madan ibede jing dia ha kaleng nong ba Shillong ha kawai kejaka hendrai on pat batai benya halor kene kejaka ulang bagi sarkar kadang kejing temu ban bo ekajaka ke bagi nong di madan kinyo pensyong di jing dia syirta bat kin persyang banele ban penrunglut iki baro kibla dep register hakane kejaka ban an persyang ban bo yakane kayo hapok kanong ba Shillong kenang ba kanam kata ya kakamai jakpo jakinong di jing dia usembut menteri rangba ule pentip bru bah kateo banwan unet jurep ya ka jingte ya kayo hapolo bat lat umkra bat wala kini project kilia cekmat nrei onele ban pentikna badi ban sna pendep no klo yaki neki artli giyo